with TB Premier Services, and today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut coffee body scrub. I'm only going to be making enough to cover my arms, so if you do want more to cover your whole body, you will have to double the recipe, but we will go ahead and get started. This is the final product. It has kind of like a muddy texture, but it's really great for exfoliating. I can show you a little sample. You just rub it on your skin like that. And it's great for arms, legs, really anywhere that you choose. But if you do want to cover your whole body, you will have to double the recipe. It's really great, so I hope you guys enjoy. See you next week for more videos.